In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve deleted emails from Yahoo. We've all been there, accidentally deleting an important email or realizing that we need something we thought we no longer required. Fortunately, Yahoo Mail provides a way to recover those emails, and I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to Yahoo Mail. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in if you aren't already. Make sure you use the account from which you want to retrieve the emails, as Yahoo handles each account separately and permissions don't overlap. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Yahoo Mail dashboard, which is organized into folders on the left side of the screen. The next step is to select the specific account if you have multiple profiles linked with your Yahoo Mail. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon or by accessing account settings. Selecting the correct account is crucial because this determines where the recovered emails will reside. After you've navigated to the right account, find and click on the trash folder. Think of the trash folder as a safety net for deleted emails. Emails in the trash aren't permanently gone. They reside here for a while before Yahoo permanently deletes them. It's kind of like an extra layer of protection since it buys you some time to recover mistakenly deleted items. Once you're in the trash folder, you'll notice checkboxes next to each email. At this point, you need to choose the emails you wish to restore. You can either select them individually by clicking the checkboxes next to each email, or if you want to restore everything, use the Select All Messages option. This latter action can be a real time saver, especially if you're restoring multiple deleted emails. With your emails selected, notice the Restore to Inbox button, usually located towards the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it. Yahoo Mail will then move the selected emails back into your inbox. It's a seamless process designed to cause minimal disruption, ensuring that your important communications are returned to you. Once this is done, navigate back to your inbox. You should find all your restored emails waiting there, just as they were before they were deleted. It's always a good idea to check and make sure everything you intended to restore is there. If something seems amiss, go back and repeat the steps, but this time ensure you're logged into the correct account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to retrieve your deleted Yahoo emails. Don't forget to keep an eye on your trash folder in the future and maybe even set a reminder if there are emails you're considering restoring later. This concludes today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.